Hi everyone, today I'm going to try to do a sunset type of look. I already put my under eye concealer and I put concealer on my lids. Now I'm just going to get a brush and go into and I'm going to go into my Naked 2 palette and I'm going to go get Bootycall, and I'm just going to layer this on, just place this all over to set. And then I'm going to go into Tease and start here. I'm just going circular and windshield wiper motions just to create a little bit of a definition and transition shade with Tease from the Naked 2 palette. As you can see how this one looks very dull, and this one you can see a little bit of the definition. Same thing here. Starting at the crease, just windshield wiper it first, and circular motions. Next I'm going to go into my Colourpop and I'm going to use the Tiki shade, which is this yellow one right here. I'm going to use my Shany Cosmetics brush. And just start at the inner corner. This pressed eyeshadow from Colourpop doesn't have enough pigment, but I just want it light at first. I'll build up on it later. I just want to place some of it here in the inner corner so I know where to go with the next colors. And I want to do this as light as possible. And building up from the inner corner to the out, to the middle of the lid. And this was just dipping in the pan twice. Sorry. So some of you might fall under the same issues that I do, that I don't have all of the colors, so sometimes you may have to mix, which is what I'm going to do now. Just give me a moment. So I'm getting this unknown brand brush, and I'm going into my Colourpop Super Shock Pressed Pigment in Erotic. It's a red color. So I'm just going to lightly dip like this. And are we finished? I'm just going to lightly brush. I'm just going circular motions just to try to blend it out as much as I can. I'm going to try to make it orange out of this. Don't be afraid to go back. This eye came out a bit pigmented than this eye. So now I'm trying to blend out. So this one's missing some yellow. So I'm gonna go back with Colourpop. What did I do with the brush I used? I'm gonna go back into Tiki and just layer it up more. Just do it slightly so you don't layer up too much at a time, because then it's annoying to remove. So I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics blending brush and just go in between right here. And again on this side, just in between the colors, and then circular windshield wiper motions, just blending. And just to take it a little step further, I'm going to go to my Crown Glam Metals, and I'm going to go into Wild Thing. Just lightly tapping it. And I'm going to start here. And in circular motions going up. Just circular motions. And I'm going to go windshield wiper just here. The blending brush that I got earlier, I'm going to take it again and just smoke it out. Just blow it out. Blend it up. This is honestly, instead of giving me a sunset vibe, it's kind of giving me a sunrise vibe. I'm gonna go back. Tap lightly into Wicked. Not into Wicked and Wild Thing. I'm just going to circle the motions up. No windshield wiper motions. Gonna go back with the blending brush. Next, I'm gonna go with my Emerge Soft Eyeliner Crayon in 510557. I'm just gonna lightly do this on the bottom. I'm dropping my stuff. Next, I'm gonna take this and go to where is it? I'm gonna go into Sapphire from my Naked Holographic highlighter palette and just do underneath the brow bone. And then I'm gonna get the gold shade from that palette and put in the inner corner. Because how are you supposed to have a wonderful sunrise without any gold? Without the sun, the bright sun that blinds you in the morning. Now I'm going to use the same brush underneath, just smudge it out. And voila, this is a nice subtle sunrise look. For those of you who want to do it but don't have too many products, I only used 1, 2, 3 palettes, an eyeshadow and eyeliner, so that's pretty good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.